Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I am super excited to announce this amazing 4 days workshop on advanced LLM fine tuning along with hands-on implementation. Now this workshop will be quite amazing because here we are going to cover everything that is related to LLM fine tunings, right? So after probably attending this 4 days workshop, I think in the future you will be able to work out with any kind of LLM models that may come up in the future, because here we are going to cover both open source, paid models, and we'll go and show you how fine-tuning techniques can be implemented. Now let me talk more about this particular workshop. So in this workshop, the instructor will be Krish Naik and Sunny Savita. I hope everybody knows about myself and Sunny Savita. The dates of this particular workshop will be at 28 and 29 September. That is this upcoming Saturday and Sunday. And then you have 5th and 6th October. That is the next weekend, right? The timing of the workshop will be between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now, as the workshop will basically happen, you also may require the recorded videos. So we will be putting the recorded videos in the course dashboard. So as soon as you probably register in this particular workshop, you will be getting the entire dashboard access, and the validity of those access will be somewhere around 6 months. The reason I've kept the dashboard access for 6 months, because after that, many of the open source LLM models may change. So again, we will be keeping this kind of workshop to make sure that you are updated with all the things. Okay. Now, this 4 days workshop will be quite amazing. And one very important thing is that this workshop is entirely free for everyone. You don't need to pay anything. You just need to probably go ahead and register it. You'll be getting the dashboard access, and you'll also be getting the mail notification before the session. Okay. I think you like this particular news, so definitely make sure that you give lots of like. Let's complete the 1,000 likes target for this particular video, and at least 200 comments, so that we get the kind of love, right? Because this is completely for free and it will be going to be completely live. Okay. Then over here, more detailed things about this particular course, or about this particular workshop, what all things are basically going to happen. In the day one, we are going to have introduction to transfer learning and fine tuning, where we are going to cover all these topics that I've actually written in completely in depth, right? Why fine tuning, what is the complete end-to-end fine tuning roadmap. Then you will be having cost analysis for fine tuning BERT and T5 model, many more things as such. And these all are basically we are going to do the fine tuning on custom data. Okay. Then you have something called as supervised fine tuning with open source models, right? So here we are going to use LLAMA, we are going to use Mistral, Zephyr, and many more things as we go ahead. Here we are going to learn about techniques like LoRA and QLoRA. Along with that, we are also going to see about BERT. Then in day 3, we are going to see instruction fine tuning for OpenAI models. The reason I'm taking this paid models also, because tomorrow in a company, if you go, they may be using OpenAI models also, right? So we need to know how to do the fine tuning also. And finally, in the day 4, we are going to cover reinforcement learning from human feedback and optimization models. Now, these are all topics we will be specifically covering. Now, one of the most common question that many people will be having is that what are the prerequisites for this particular course? Now, based on this particular prerequisites, if you're following my YouTube channel, specifically Python playlist, generative AI, machine learning, I think that will be more than sufficient. But if still you want more structured content, more in-depth content, then definitely I would suggest this course, that is complete generative AI, LangChain with Hugging Face. I think I've covered each and everything over here, along with fine-tuning techniques. What are fine-tuning techniques and all? So these are the prerequisites, because here we have covered Python, we have covered deep learning, we have covered RNN, transformers, everything, all the topics are specifically covered. And again, this particular course, I hope it will be ranging between 399 to 499. You can go ahead and probably consider this particular course itself, right? So that is the prerequisites that we have. And on 29th, it is good to have this kind of prerequisites, but otherwise it will be very difficult to not understand all these things. And I've been contributing in this particular field from past 6 to 7 months. Even though you are seeing my YouTube videos, I think you should be able to follow. Okay. But if you don't know all these things, I think it will be very difficult for you all to understand, because fine tuning is not a simple thing. You need to have some basic conceptual knowledge with respect to this. Okay. Now, the other thing, as I said, in order to register, go ahead and fill the information over here. Go ahead and submit it, register now. Okay. Once you register, you will be also able to get the dashboard link. And then whenever the live session actually happens, we will be uploading the video in the dashboard also, so that you can actually access it. Okay. Now, this particular initiative, I'm going to probably take up every weekend and try to come up with some more very good, amazing live workshop. That will be my main aim as we go ahead. So yes, go ahead and register in this, and I hope you will enjoy all this kind of sessions. Now, if you really want to support me with this initiative, so that every weekend we take some kind of live sessions, we bring some amazing mentors to this platform, some knowledgeable mentors who are working in multiple MNCs, who are working in all this kind of technology, who are solving some amazing projects. There is also a donation link that is given in the description. You can go ahead and donate it, and you can support us. Yeah. So yeah, this was it. As I said, the target of this particular video will be 1,000 likes. Share with all your friends. Go ahead and register it. And yes, I will see you all in the workshop. So thank you. This was it from my side. Bye bye. Have a great day.